Take command of the road in the 2014 Toyota Sequoia. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.